If you're a local business owner in 2025 and you want to run Facebook ads, this video is for you. Did you know that some types of ads actually work a lot better than other types of ads? Well, that might take you by surprise, but yes, there are specific types of ads for local businesses that actually will outperform any other type of ad that you can think of. In this video, I'm gonna be sharing the top 5 types of ads that we have launched for our local business owner clients that work time and time again, no matter how many times we launch them. Ready? Let's dive in. Okay, guys, let's jump right in. So as I said, we have shortlisted 5 types of ads that just seem to work over and over again for small local businesses, right? These local businesses are usually service-based, but not strictly service-based, okay? You might sell products, and these will help you too. We just kind of like think of these ads as like the bread and butter of smaller marketing accounts, because they are the type of ad that will help you convey why you're different, what makes your service different, and it will help people experience a little bit of that service in advance before actually buying that. So that gives you an advantage versus bigger competitors, versus other people in your same space, et cetera, et cetera. You have to remember that buying from someone is usually a game of how safe do you feel, how secure do you feel about this brand, okay? Awesome. So, sorry about that. This is a product demo ad. That's how we call it, or a service demo ad. Some people will want to buy from you, but the issue here is they have no idea what to expect, right? And this is a very important blocker to purchase that we should. We have the opportunity to just remove this out of the gate on the ad, right? So what this does, for example, for this cryo shock treatment, is it shows you how it's going to be like, and you can see the lights, you can see how much the pressure they're putting on their tummy, and you can see that they are targeting different body parts there. Uh, like it tells you like non-invasive, it tightens loose skin, lose unwanted inches, etc., etc. You can use it on your face, so like it answers a ton of things right away, and it actually, that looks like it feels good, right? So it helps answer a ton of questions. Will it hurt? Is it safe? How does it feel like? How does this work? All of this is just answered in this simple ad, right? What will I accomplish by buying this? That's another one that's super important, okay? So the other reason why I love this one is because you can just grab your phone and record something and post it there as an ad. It doesn't take like super science. This type of ads work really well because they're also authentic. Let's go to the next one. This is actually one of my favorites for service-based ads. Like if you're a lawyer, if you're, I don't know, even dentists, I don't know, there's like such a plethora of business, real estate agents, like any type of local business should try this for sure. These are messenger ads. So within Ads Manager, on Facebook, you will notice that there's an option for you to, for people, instead of just clicking on something and sending them to your website, they click on the button and they will send you a message. This is super simple, right? And it can sound a bit overwhelming, but for this client right here, dude, this type of ad has generated 1,239 messaging conversations. And in her case, in this specific example, I remember when we started, she only needed a handful of clients per month. And this has gone above and beyond. They're growing and everything, but it's very It's very direct. And what I like about messenger ads is that you click like you do a good ad, you obviously put yourself here. This kind of like explains what they do. So the cool thing about this is, number one, you can qualify your lead right away because you're gonna start a conversation there. They actually will tell you what they want to accomplish, right? And you can right away say, okay, this is a waste of time. We're not a good fit, or okay, this is a lead I would love to pursue. So real-time interactions are just fantastic. As I said, they help you qualify leads quickly. uh, Also, this doesn't require email collection, which is like a huge thing for a lot of people, right? We don't want to just give away our emails, and that is becoming more and more of a blocker. People aren't trusting, digital marketing anymore as they did some years ago. So the fact that this doesn't require an email means that more people will actually be reaching out, which is cool. So you will have that advantage versus your competitors that actually require email collection. It also provides a human touch, right? Because you need to chat with people there and they get to know you. And I think that just makes it personal, and it makes people uh, more likely to convert and buy from you. And the cool thing about this is that eventually they become predictable. So even if it's a bit overwhelming, like, oh, I'm going to have to be replying to, I don't know, 20, 30, 50 conversations per day, uh, you will eventually know, okay, I know that from those 50 conversations, I can get 5 customers. So you can hire accordingly, you can scale the ads if you want, and you can do all sorts of cool stuff there. Third one, we're going here quickly. These are called us versus them ads, and they're pretty simple. It portrays the problem, like the alternative versus your product, right? So 40 minutes versus 7 minutes, and this just looks awful, and this looks just like clean and not painful at all. Uh, this is another one of our customers here, just of our clients, just us versus them. You get to compare your strengths against the rivals, the competitors' weaknesses, right? So that's what this is really cool. Why this ad is really cool, because it leverages your strength points and it contrasts them with the competitor's weak points. So that eventually it clearly communicates what makes your business special, and they're quite memorable. So I think you should definitely try this. Doesn't matter if you sell ice cream or whatever. This is applicable to any local business. Let's have a look at this one. This is a point. So it's a very clear it's a very clear transformation, right? So you go from clutter to a really nicely designed space. Let's have a look at it again. So transformation. If you have a service or a product that can show the transformation, so if it's like I don't know, a spa, if it's nutrition, if it's fitness, if it's like any kind of thing that just transforms people or transforms a space, landscaping, construction, roofing, cleaning, even I don't know, when there are some fantastic examples of this when people are just cleaning couches, right? Like whenever you can show a transformation, do it on an ad. It gives clarity about what to expect and when they hire you, but also it helps it kind of like people are looking to solve a problem, and this kind of like proves again, it makes them feel very secure. Okay, if I buy this, I'm going to be able to solve this specific problem, right? So if I have a cluttered garage I want to remodel, I definitely want to go with these guys. Um, Sorry about that. This autoplay feature is a bit like killing me a little bit, but we're here and this is live, so we don't want to. It is what it is, guys. So sensorial ads. That's number 5. This is big for restaurants. I didn't forget you guys. So restaurants or anything that's very sensorial, which involves our senses. These are really, really important. And they're easy, right? It just like gooey cheese, uh, you know, listening to a grill, and just seeing this, these get my mouth watering like straight away. And I'm gonna look, where can I buy this? Where can I get this meal? I'm gonna Google it. I'm gonna Yelp it. So it's very, these are kind of like very emotional and very, they get you into like this primitive mode, right? So let's have a look. Oh my god, that croissant burger is something else. So that got my mouth watering. So as you can see, I mean, these are highly engaging. They're immersive. They're kind of like addictive. So you kind of like watch them over and over, which is really cool because they're quick, they're fast paced, and the music helps too. And they get you into this like primal state of mind. That's really good because it makes people impulsive. And when people act impulsively is when they buy the easiest. Okay, so and they're also really easy to do. I mean, these ads took the people who recorded them 5 minutes, and they just boosted that. And they're pretty simple, so that's why I love them. They're accessible. So there you go, guys. Those are the 5 types of ads. Let me know what other type of content you want to see. Yeah, and if you tried these out, just let me know how it went in the comments. Okay, thanks, guys.